So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn Photosphere. So this is video number 7, and in the last video we have started the new chapter known as the Sun. So if you have any suggestions or comments or requirements, you can mail us on our email ID. So solar photosphere. The photosphere is the visible surface of the Sun. All the light we receive in fact comes from this photosphere. At the center of the Sun, the energy is generated in the form of high energy photons, which are also known as gamma rays. And as these photons travel outside, they collide with particles of they collide with other particles of matter and lose energy continuously. By the time these photons reach the surface, which is known as the photosphere, they are reduced to photons of visible region of electromagnetic spectrum. So all the visible radiation is emitted from the photosphere. The density of the photosphere is 3,400 times less than the density of the air we breathe. The thickness of the photosphere is about 500 km, and the temperature at its base is near about 6500 Kelvin. The temperature decreases upward and reaches a minimum value of 4400 Kelvin at the top. This assumption is supported by the sun absorption spectrum, which indicates that the light we receive must be passing through a cool gas in which photons gets absorbed. The photosphere is not a quiet region, it shows a granular structure. The photosphere consists of bright and irregularly shaped granules, each granule surrounded by dark edges. It has been found that these granules are very hot and their typical size is near about 1500 km. The hot gas in the granules rises up with a speed of the order of 500 meter per second and bursts apart by releasing huge amount of energy. And the cool material subsequently sinks downward along the dark edges or lanes between the granules. The rising hot granules are seen only for a very short period of time before they dissolve. So this is the photograph of the photosphere showing granular structure, and this is the schematic diagram of granules. Now the question is, what causes the granulation of this photosphere? So it is due to the convection, that is the process in which energy is transported by matter. The granulation can be visualized as the top layer of the region where due to convection hot gas from below the photosphere moves upward. Thus the center of the granule is hotter and it emits more radiation and looks brighter in comparison to the edges, which are relatively cooler and emit less radiation. Now the other question is, what is the chemical composition of photosphere? So photosphere consists of nearly 79% of hydrogen and the remaining 21% consist of 60 other chemical elements. All the elements of the photosphere are known elements and their proportion in the earth is more or less the same as that in the photosphere. So this is for today's video. We hope that you have enjoyed it, and if you have any suggestion or comments you can mail us on our email ID. So thank you for watching this video.